Yes, so this life is balanced. Now you know stand well. If you have been following me, last year when Jenko did his father burial, one of these local son, Emeka Nwobi, visited him. I said in that video, can this guy go there and be telling them, my name is Emeka Nwobi, but I am not an Igbo man? And I said in that video that everything that works is connected. And I said in that video that no man that dies poor that doesn't have opportunity to make it. But the reason why some people don't take the opportunity is because of ignorance. My people perish for lack of knowledge. That word means the presence of ignorance is the reason why people perish. 99% of them that are claiming that are Christian will be telling you all these things are vanity upon vanity. They will give you money, say they want to use you to do ritual. Because you lack knowledge. You don't know nobody is using you to do ritual. You'll be speaking grammar, vanity upon vanity. Did you see Pastor Jerry Eze in Cubana's birthday? Did you see Pastor Biodu Fatoibo? All your pastors are connecting to the rich. When Lazarus Omoka buried his wife, you see Peter Obi, them, you see Obi Cubana, then they attended. Vanity upon vanity, that attend big men, where they worldly, best when they sell alcohol, where they do club, where they do stripping. Your pastors will be attending it, but you, poor man, will be speaking vanity upon vanity. I told you that whatever works is connected. Your pastors are connecting to men, but you'll be here rejecting them, rejecting the people they tell you say they're worldly. The same ignorance is happening in identity crisis. See, and at the den of Agbor visited Obi Cubana. If it's short for you, come to Agbor and say it. After all, the den of Agbor say, do not grate Anyoma and zone it to southeast. But your king, like Nicodemus, they visit Obi Cubana. If you go there, make it tell and say, my name is Den of Agbor, but I am not Igbo man, I'm a descendant of Bini. Will you be able to say it? And many of you have opportunity to make money, but ignorantly they have brainwashed you to see Igbo people as enemies. You will be following your king sheepishly. I have run Igbo. You have a business to do with some Igbo brothers. You will not do it because they have told you that Igbo people this, Igbo people that. They want to dominate you. But your kings are running things with the same Igbo people. Tell me he will live there with empty-handed. They will not give him blank envelope. Not try to accuse him, because everything now they say you need to put allegedly. But we all know that he can't live there empty-handed. He's connecting to the source that will make him rich. You, a poor man, will be here saying, hey, don't drag me as an Igbo man. I'm an Eka man. Eka is not Igbo. You'll be rejecting things that will make you rich. Ignorantly and religiously, traditionally and religiously, many of us are living in ignorance. If it's sure for you, come to Agbor and say it. Siam Naya King is not saying it, but his actions speak louder than your voice. I've told you, Ubu, event of the day should let you know where you belong to. Event of the day should let you know where you belong to. If you are following any leader sheepishly, you will be the one to perish. Poverty go kill you. Happy birthday, Obi Cubana. You have set an example in the society. Even though some people don't like what you are doing. You see it now. Anyway, back to the main thing. My car brothers, your banker brothers are suffering in Edo State. What have you people done about it? What have you people done about it? Your hate against Igbo is the reason why your brothers in the bank have been rejected. None of you want to speak and fight for them. It is we, Enu and the people, in the same Anyoma that are speaking. I see some of my Enu and the people, some of my Okwa and people are even the ones speaking. The Igbos are the ones speaking on behalf of a banker. The cars are quiet. Meanwhile, the ones you people think that you are following are playing real games offline by following the Igbo boss that has it. Your Ika brothers in a banker are perishing in the hands of Agbor Benin, but all of you are quiet. All of you are quiet. All of you cannot speak. You people think that what you are doing is against the Igbos. You are the one losing at the end of the day. Because if care is not taken, you lose a banker. And one day you also lose that your Agbor that you are claiming that a Agbor Eka is Eka. Because that thing that they are testing the water in a banker, one day the Oba Bini will test it upon you people. You know, I've been saying this since last year. I didn't know that this kind of thing will happen this year. That Oba Bini want to enslave all of you and claim your land. All of you are coming. That one that is bleaching in abroad, that call itself Holy Barrier, will come and be telling me, Eka is Eka, Eka is not Igbo. Stop dragging us to do this thing. The Igbos are land grabbers. Who can they grab land? Somebody that suspend the king. What is the essence? It's not for him to own your territory, to own your land. Your brothers that land adjustment, call them to those states. You are keeping quiet and seeing them to perish in the heart of another person. Your lands has been taken politically before your eyes, but for your mind, ndi Igbo ka anyị na-achọ imejọ. I'm out of here, Joe.
Male kuno apostle azoka ukai baraja onye dumiza obiogba aka banke kao male chief ekajo for one of a bank land dodoni okuni leku nchona na mmare so ndi duwe bake ndi ka wa ndi Igbo nchona mmare ndi ka ndi emeni wonye du na egine bigu nne gine bigu ledi gine bigu bake mebi anwele we wondere ndu wa say ne idukono abia area wa abia ikegboku ni kagwanye on comment section because echone mane ne ndi sinewela akebake because we gini renyi ele this generation kweke girenyi elogen kweke girenyi enyi kwerikonu edo renyi ye ndi du ele ndi du because enyi mane ne majority of a banke nelewe ndi idu ndị biani on the welu hannewe and your money on the well when most of them were one never. Then many were opportunity near ela enter marriage in the back and do me. Near Quagisine were to know give back can you do you back like we do. Because leggy this time up on this in the well back. When money ku anywhere where like because Ogwan tale one onyo like a bishop more onyo like a law because Ogwan ale. Emeni wonye banke nne esi ne already esi ne ya onye du alebe community du quarter abia idu nwe villages onekeleke hunu once one me onye dimiza obiogba ake banke ju ne oju ledi elidu nwele quarter ke abia make banke because ele just say ne ndi happen so ndi du we bu were banke ele ndi ondio ni jele mema Davis ya zama osarati ya zama mono choma ya zama emi adiva ya azama uguneki ya kiji wundidu mba no affidavit kimeme and we can prove you that affidavit jele meme ki jele correct and choko contract or choko business choko political power ya kiji jele models to see them dodo no mo igba kan lari ono bia na on commercial session dm ne nwonye banke elemonyi du or wonyi du elebe na bia du ya can turn on the guam is autumn F9 la masse or the time when you give this video masterman and my bank. Shalom. God bless you.